Good day everyone. This is the reporter, Urban Mark D. Pineda, Ryan Rigaspe, Eljon Rabago, and Mark Bopegerda. Let's talk about evolution of Philippine taxation.
What is tax? Taxation is defined in many ways. Commonly high definition include: it is the process by which the sovereign through its lawmaking body raises revenues used to defray expense of government. It is the procedure by which the sovereign through its legislative body raises income to cover government expenses. A tax is a necessary fee or monetary charge imposed by a government on an individual or an organization in order to respond for public works projects that provide the greatest services and infrastructure. The funds raised are then used to fund other government activities. Failure to pay taxes or refuse to contribute will result in harsh consequences under the predetermined law.
It is the means of government in increasing its revenue under the authority of the law, purposely used to promote welfare and protection of its citizenry. Ibig sabihin nito ay ang paraan ng pamahalaan sa pagtaas ng kita nito sa ilalim ng otoridad ng batas, na sadyang ginagamit upang itaguyod ang kapakanan at proteksyon ng mga mamamayan nito. It is the collection of the share of individual and organizational income by a government under the authority of the law. Ibig sabihin nito ay ang koleksyon ng bahagi ng individual at organisasyonal na kita ng isang pamahalaan sa ilalim ng otoridad ng batas.
Hi everyone, I'm your reporter for this day. My name is Eljon B. Rabago, and our topic for this day is all about purpose and significance of tax. Primary sources generates funds and revenue used to defray expenses incurred by the government in promoting the general welfare of its citizenry. Public expenditure. Other purpose, the equitable contribute to the wealth of the nation. For example here, like in oral histories, journals, speeches, scrapbooks, where we can find the some history of primary sources in government publication or etc. What is the history of tax? To support the colony, several taxes and monopolies were established. The buwis, tribute, which could be paid in cash or kind with tobacco, chickens, produce, gold, blankets, cotton, rice, or other products depending on the region of the country. Also, there was a bandala from the Tagalog word mandala, a round stock of rice stocks to be threshed, an annual for sale and requisitioning of goods such as rice. In history of tax, where we called buwis, which we need to get some taxes from other products, katulad na lang ng product na nanggaling sa ibang bansa, dapat kinakailangan na dumaan siya sa custom para kunan ng buwis. Depende din sa lugar na kung saan nakabahagi yung isang bagay o isang product para kunan ng taxes. And also, we have a custom of duties and taxes. That's all. Thank you and good morning.
Example, when the government charges a tax on income earned, products purchased, and property owned. Let's talk about taxation in Spanish Philippines. When Spain came, they started to collect tributos or tribute. The purpose of it is to develop and improve the island and to maintain as well. Also, the collect tribute is for the government official salary and for the expenses of the allergy. The Filipinos have gotten satisfied with the production of agriculture. Later on, half of the tribute was paid in cash, and the rest with produce. 16th century Manila-Acapulco trade or the Galilean trade. In this 16th century, the Spanish government continued trade relation with this with this country, and Manila became the center of commerce. Include here is China, Japan, Moluccas, Siam, India, Cambodia, and Borneo. During the Galilean trade, forced labor was a character in Spanish colonial taxation and was required from the Filipinos. During the Galilean trade, the male were obligated to serve, which result to death. In 17th century, males are required to provide 40 days per annum. 1884, the payment of tribute was put to a stop because of the cedula. Taxation in the Philippines during Spanish colonial period was characterized by a heavy burden places. Example here is when the government charges a tax on income earned, production, purchase, and property owned.
The importance of taxation in Spanish Philippine is for recognition of Spanish sovereignty over the colonies and also to defray these expenses of pacification and governance thereafter.
Thanks for watching.